Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
What a Saturday we had. Probably the best Saturday of the year. Unfortunately, tomorrow it's going to be the opposite. Cold and windy returns. But man, we had a great day, and it led to some great sunsets like this one. Thanks to Lane in Mandan for sending us this picture of a gorgeous sunset, obviously looking off toward the west there. Our cameras earlier today just looked amazing, no matter where you were. Dickinson, Williston, Rugby, Bismarck, Minot, all the sunset pictures were amazing. Here's another picture of the sun because it got quite warm in some locations today. Here's a look at some of the more impressive numbers there. You can see some places getting into the lower to mid 50s. Other places still warm in the mid to upper 40s, which is still about 20 to 25 degrees above where we should be for this time of the year. But things are changing right now. We have a wind advisory until 6 a.m. for our extreme western and northwestern counties. I'll shift this map a little bit wider out here. You can see this is the high wind warning, this mustard colored here till 9 a.m. Central Time. If you're in the high wind warning, wind gusts probably can be in excess of 60 miles an hour. And then in the outlying counties, a wind advisory through 9 a.m. as well tomorrow morning. Temperatures right now are still quite mild out there. Most of us are still in the mid to upper 40s. I actually went outside just a few minutes ago, and it just felt so pleasant outside. Winds remain on the increase here between 15 and 25 miles an hour, and they'll probably continue to increase for about the next 6 hours or so. We do have some gusts out there. You can see a report of 30 miles an hour in Bismarck, 54 miles an hour a gust in Garrison, and you saw to start off the show we had that 58 mile an hour gust in Watford City. Satellite and radar picture, you can see those clouds streaming ahead of our cold front that will be moving through tonight. Maybe as the cold front rolls through in the Highway 2 corridor between Williston and Minot, somebody sees a stray sprinkle or two, but really nothing that is even measurable out there. Rest of Sunday looks very nice with lots of sunshine. Unfortunately, some gusty winds out there, and you'll see those wind gusts here. A lot of white on the map. I think the best chance for gusts 55 and over north of Lake Sakakawea between now and probably 4 or 5 in the morning while most of us are asleep. But you can see these wind gusts quickly die off as we go through the day on Sunday, which is certainly good news. If you thought we didn't have a lot of snowfall in January, you would be right. Just 2.9 inches of snow in January. That is 6 inches below where we should be for this time of the year. The most snow we got, just an inch on the 15th and the 3rd of the month. Tonight in the capital city, a windy one, but warm, 33 degrees, probably 20 degrees above where we should be. You can see those wind gusts 37 miles an hour at times. Even worse in the Magic City, gusting up to 55 miles an hour. Wouldn't be surprised if there are a couple reports over 60 mile an hour tonight. 3-day forecast for Dickinson. A windy Sunday, a cloudy Monday, and a sunny Tuesday greet you there. But you can see temperatures slowly getting cooler. Look at the Williston camera rocking and rolling there with lots of sunshine over the next couple of days. Here's your extended forecast for the capital city. Average high of 25. We'll be above average for a few of those days, but breezy also for a couple of those days with our chance for snow rolling through Wednesday through Friday with a clipper that'll roll through. And here's the Minot extended forecast. Nice sunny day on Tuesday with a high of 19, and then next chance for snow later next week, Renee.
Had to come soon, like you said.
It did. Our fun is over.
Well, it lasted for a little while. I'll take it. Thanks so much, Robert. Coming up next in sports, it came down to the wire between Shiloh Christian and Rugby. Who would come out with a win in a top 10 matchup? Phil has the answer up next.